All right, let's take a look at pressure. When a particle of gas collides with a surface, such as a wall or container, the gas creates a force during this collision. Think about like a person pushing up against a wall. There's going to be some kind of force that's generated. And calculating the force each particle of gas creates and adding them all together would be an impossible task. However, the aggregate, so the average for all of the gas particles treated as a single system striking a surface, can be measured and is a valuable quantity. The force F due to all the collisions of gas particles striking a 1 square meter of surface area A is known as pressure, and this is represented by the following formula. Our pressure is equal to our force divided by our area. There are a variety of ways to measure pressure in terms of units, torr, pounds per square inch, atmospheres, etc. There's even millimeters of mercury, all of these crazy things. But in physics, the standard unit for measurement is a Pascal, which is the equivalent of a Newton per meter squared. So newtons per meter squared. Let's talk about this relationship here. So if we isolate for area, I want to talk about the relationships between force and pressure. We can see that there is a division sign between them, which means that they have a direct relationship. So let's come to this question. Increasing the force will do what to the pressure an object experiences? So if there's a direct relationship when we increase the force, that means the object will have an increase in pressure as well. So let's do an example problem together for the types of calculations that you'll need to do, and then you can work on these two on your own and see the answers posted on the answer key on Google Classrooms. So a football player is tackled by another player and lands with a combined weight of both players on his knee. If the combined weight of the players is 2,400 newtons, and the player's knee measures 0.1 meters squared, how much pressure is exerted on the turf when the player lands on his knee? So we're given a force, which is 2,400 newtons. And we know that the area that this force is exerted over is 0.1 meters squared. So we plug this into our formula, which is P is equal to 2,400 newtons divided by our 0.1 meters squared. If we put this in the calculator, that comes out to be a pressure of 24,000. And if we have newtons divided by meters per second, squared, we know that our unit is going to be Pascal.